Hi everyone. Today we will learn about the difference between Karl Pearson correlation and Spearman rank correlation. Let us first discuss about the need of the study. In business scenario, we could use this to find the relationship between two variables, income and expenditure, or we can take the age of the consumer and preference towards jeans. We can take a two variable and study the relationship. Correlation, positive correlation, negative correlation, neutral correlation, and one more new concept is called nonsense correlation. Nonsense correlation means two unrelevant variable having highest correlation. It is called nonsense correlation. Positive correlation, negative correlation, neutral correlation, nonsense correlation. There are different types of correlations. Now let's see. Karl Pearson correlation, it is actually a quantitative variable. The extent to which two variables x and y are correlated. The formula in a simple way we are going to learn r is equal to sigma xy divided by root of sigma x squared into sigma y squared. R is equal to sigma xy divided by root of sigma x squared into sigma y squared. Let us work out one problem so that we can understand clearly. Karl Pearson correlation, here there are two variables given, one is sales and another is temperature. One variable we could consider as x and another variable we can consider as y. What is the formula? R is equal to sigma xy divided by root of sigma x squared into sigma y squared. So x and y, then you write x squared and y squared, calculate xy. Student, first you write the formula so that we can recall the next step. X squared we have to calculate and y squared and xy. Sigma xy, it's a total summation of xy value. Sigma x squared, it's a summation of x squared value and sigma y squared. Once we calculate this and applying the formula, if the answer comes minus, you write x and y or sales and temperature are negatively correlated. If the answer comes in positive, we can write as a positively correlated. If the answer comes more than 0.8, 0.9, we can write highly positively correlated or highly negatively correlated. But here one trick is there. The answer always should be -1 to +1. If the answer comes more than 1, we might have done some mistake. We committed some mistake in some place. So we have to correct our mistake. The answer always between -1 to +1. If the answer comes positive, we can write x and y variable are positively correlated. If the answer comes in negative, we can write x and y variable are negatively correlated. So this way we can correct. If the answer comes more than 1, we can find out somewhere we committed mistake. We have to rectify the mistake. So Karl Pearson correlation, the formula is simple. R is equal to sigma xy divided by root of sigma x squared into sigma y squared. Now let's move on Spearman rank correlation. Spearman rank correlation, just for finding qualitative variable. To test the association between qualitative variable, very difficult to measure qualitative variable like beauty, honesty, integrity, intelligent, efficiency, that can be measured through Spearman rank correlation. Miss Universe competition, all judges are using invariably Spearman rank correlation. It's only measuring qualitative variable. The formula is very simple. Capital R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. Here d is equal to difference between ranks R1 minus R2. Let us work out one problem so that it be clear. Spearman rank correlation, annual income, percent allocation of investment. Some information is given. They are asking you to find out their saving habit, income and allocation for investment. One variable we can consider as X and another variable we can consider as a Y variable. D is equal to R1 minus R2. As I told you, we have to calculate rank 1 and rank 2. If you want, you can give ranks from small variable to high variable or high variable to low smaller variable. It is up to us. Here, look at these variables. The higher number I have given as a first rank. 37 here highest rank, so I have given first rank. The second lowest variable is 24, second rank. So I am considering only X. Higher number I have given first rank, second rank, third rank, like that I have given. The same way Y, have taken the second variable Y. I am giving a ranks from high to low. Now we have to calculate D. D is equal to R1 minus R2, 8 minus 1, 7, 5 minus 4, 1. Like that we calculated. The next one is D squared. Whenever we do problem, we forget the formula. First you write the formula so that we can recall the steps. Whenever we do problem, we forget the steps. First you write the formula so that we can recall the next steps. Next is we have to calculate D squared. D squared 7 squared 49, 1 squared 1. Like that we have to calculate D squared. So sigma D squared is equal to 152. What is the formula? R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D squared divided by n cube minus n. Here n is number of variable 8. Apply. Keep 1 minus separate aside. First you have to calculate 6 sigma D squared divided by n cube. 8 cube is 512 minus 8. So the answer is 1.8. 1 minus 1.8, answer is minus 0.8. So annual income and percent allocation of investment are highly negatively correlated. As like Karl Pearson correlation, we have to write conclusion. Positively correlated or negatively correlated, that we have to mention. The only thing is the formula is different. Karl Pearson correlation measuring quantitative variable, Spearman correlation measuring qualitative variable. Karl Pearson correlation, small r is equal to sigma x squared divided by root of sigma x squared into sigma y squared. But Spearman correlation, capital R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d squared divided by n cube minus n. I hope you understand this concept. I am Meenakshi. Thank you for watching.